I am going to be talking about how I use the technologies I used in all of my projects. So firstly, I used iShowU to record voice threads like this in evaluation questions and throughout my AS year also. So you start recording your voice by pressing the record button, which is here. It would normally be a red button, but because I am already recording, it says stop. So you just simply press the stop button to stop yourself recording, and then the voice recording will come down here. As you can see, I have done a lot. When you move your mouse also, the screen follows your mouse, so you can show exactly what you are hovering to. So next I'm going to be talking about the main websites I used on Safari. So firstly you click on Safari and it opens up a new tab, and then I've already typed in the web address which I want to visit, and this is Blogger, and I'm already signed in. So then it comes up with page views, posts, when I last was on. So here you can just click on my name to go to my blog, and I just press on posts, and here are my posts, and you can make a new post by pressing this button here, but there's already an untitled post here, and you can type the post name here and also type text in here, and you can include pictures by pressing the insert image and uploading, and also you can put YouTube videos up from YouTube, and you just you type it in and you can find it. And recently I've been using my own YouTube videos to put onto my blog. So next I am going to be showing how I use the technologies and websites online. So the first I'm going to be showing is Small, which I used on my evaluation question number 4. I did know about this before I used it, but I didn't really use it, but it was easy to grasp, and you can click on, you have to log in first, and then you can click on your flyers to view it. So here is my evaluation question, and you can press edit to edit it. And to create a flyer, you can press create new flyer, and then you can choose what it's for. I think I chose business, and just because I liked the style of it, I use this. So you can start by adding your title by clicking in the box, and it looks just like that. And you can add a subtitle if you want to, but I didn't really need to. So when it comes to actually writing in it and adding pictures, you can press the picture bar and add pictures of whatever you want really. And you start with a title, so you can type whatever and it'll lay it out for you. It's actually an easy way to display your work, and you can also add more text, you can add another title, and just different things. So the next thing I used was VoiceThread, and this was just for the evaluation question number 3, which is here. So how you create a new post is you click on create, and then you can add photos or anything you want really. So I'm going to include a poster, and you can press comment to add a title, so poster, and then I just use this button here, which is the microphone, which activates speech, so it can be included into your VoiceThread. And then it just goes down here and plays as you go along, so you can press backwards and forwards to go through it. The next thing is SlideShare. I use this to put my PowerPoints on, and you just upload your PowerPoint files onto this website, so then you can embed a code into a blog or just have it online. So you can upload any PowerPoint you want. So it could be anything. I don't really have one to show yet, but you just upload your PowerPoints onto here, and you can choose whether to have it private or public. I tend to have it public because you can get audience feedback from there. And then once it's uploaded, you can embed the code and put it into your blog. So the next thing is Prezi. I've had some troubles with this, however, because it doesn't really work on the Macs at college, so I tend to use it at home. So I don't really have any Prezi as this is a new user, but to make a new Prezi, you can press New Prezi, and it'll come up with a white screen, and that's about it. But at home, you can it actually works, so you can press New Prezi and it comes up, and then you just start your template, and it's just an easy way to personalise your PowerPoint without doing it on PowerPoint. And then you can embed the code, so then it can go into your blog. So the next website I used in the production of my evaluation is NewHive. I use this for evaluation question number 2, and you just click on your user, which is here, and then it brings you to your NewHives, well, what products you've made on it. And it's like a leaflet style web page, and I just like how you can personalise it and just add your pictures into it easily. So next is Word. I'm very familiar with this because I've been using it for so long. I just basically open a new Word document to create a questionnaire or survey, and I use it on Word because it's just an easy layout. So I pick a plain Word document, and it just opens like this, and you can start by typing easily, and it's just an easy thing to use to create questionnaires on. The next thing I used is PowerPoint. I've been using this through the whole of AS and A2 to create pictures, and then I upload my PowerPoints onto SlideShare and then put them onto my blog. So you can choose whatever template you want, and you can personalise it by doing different colours. Then you press choose. And then you can add a new slide by using this button in the left, and it just adds as many slides as you want. You can also include pictures from your browser, and you can add text boxes, and also songs, and different ways to like personalise your PowerPoints. This was an effective and very appropriate thing for my blog because it's just easy to use and you can include all your information on it. Next thing I'm going to talk about is iMovie. I'm using this right now to put together this for question 4, but to make a new project, you just press on File and New Project, and then it will come up with different themes of what you want to do. So I don't want a different theme, so just sticking to a plain one. And then you can import movies from off the Mac, or import it from your camera. I already have some here, what I could use, and you can select bits that you need, that you want. So and then you can cut things by clicking how much you want to be cut off. You can also double click it to change the clip effect, or the audio, or the colour of it. And you can turn the audio up and down and fade it in and just do different things with it. And then if you don't like what you've done with it, you can just revert it to the original. Then you can add different texts, like the style, and change the style and colour by pressing show fonts. So it can change it to white and the size and the font. Then you can include different photos from iPhoto and other music from GarageBand, like we did for our trailer. And then you can use different editing transitions and just edit them in. So it would look like this. Next I'm going to be talking about Photoshop. I use this in the production of my magazine cover and poster. So first you could press on File and press New to make a new page. You can change the size of what you want and what type it is. I'm just going to press on international paper because it's A4 size. And this is the portraits size. There are many different tools you can use, but this is the main one you need to use to move images around. Another tool I used was the spot healing tool to edit my the detective on my magazine, and also Danny on my poster. I also use the brush tool, which you can which I used on my poster to create the smoke and the green look. So to get rid of it, you just press Command Alt and Z, and that just clears it. You can also use the eraser tool to do that, and press Command Alt and Z to get rid of it. Another thing I used was the text, and you just draw a box and type into it. And you can change the size and the font. Most of these fonts were from dafont.com. You can also change the colours by just hovering your mouse over the colour wheel. You can also add different shapes like rectangles, and this is another thing I used. Next is GarageBand. We use this to make the music for our trailer. So here it is, the different sounds and the different trials that I have produced just to get used to using it. So you press on New Project to create new music, and you can click on different types of sound you want to make. So I'm just going to stay with the piano. and then you press create. So you can just drag different sounds which you like into the box, but I've been having trouble on my GarageBand as it's not really working how it should do, so we made the sound on Beth's computer. So here's an example of what I've made. And this was just to go over our trailer. It's just Angela speaking. And here's all of the sounds that we saved because we wanted to use it in our trailer. You can also include different things into GarageBand, like photos and movies, but we just decided to just create this sound and then put it into iMovie. Next I used Final Cut. Are you being serious?
Yeah, right. Wait, should we keep it recorded?
No, you can go away now.
Oh, no, I'll do it. I'll be serious, right? You're tying me off.
Right.
Right, okay.
So next I used Final Cut. We just wanted to use this because we couldn't really use an effect in iMovie what we wanted. So we went to Final Cut to find a recording effect. So you just drag in the bit what you want to edit, press on effects, and then video filters, and then video. And then the effect we used was Viewfinder, which is a record button.